Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevDBQA. In today's video we will see two keywords that we use in SQL. The first one is the distinct keyword and the second one is the where keyword. So we will see the use of these two keywords with the SQL statements, and we will also see what is the output when we use these two keywords with the select statement. So if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. On this channel you can get videos related to automation testing, manual testing and programming languages as well. So let's start with our today's video. So first one is the distinct keyword. So as the name suggests, distinct means different. So when we use this distinct keyword with the select statement, then the output we get the different results. Different results means we will not get the duplicate records if we use distinct with the select statement. So first of all we will see what is the syntax of distinct keyword. So the syntax is, first of all we have to write select, then distinct, and in the bracket we have to write the column name. Then from, and after from we will write table name, and at last semicolon. So this is the syntax of writing the distinct keyword. So when we use this statement in SQL, we will get the distinct column name. The records that are present in this column name, we will get the distinct records from this column name. So let us do a practical for this distinct keyword. So this is the command for fetching all the data of customers table. So there is a table, customers table, and these are the different columns that are present in the customer table, right? So let us write, so there is a column name city, so we will write select city from customers and we will execute it. So there are 91 cities that are present in this customers table, and there are many duplicate records that we have got. So for example, we have city named London, and the London city is 2 times that is present, as you can see. So there are many different cities, duplicate cities that are present in this result. So to get the different or unique cities, we will write the distinct keyword, distinct, and in the round brackets the column name, and the column name is city. So now this query will give the unique cities from the customers table. Now let us execute it, and now as you can see the output is 69 rows. Earlier the output was 91 rows that are present, and this time with the distinct keyword we are getting only 69 rows. So now these are the unique cities that are present in the customers table. So the unique number of cities are 69 unique cities are present in the customers table. So this is the use of distinct keyword. Now let us see the where keyword. So with the use of the where keyword, when we use the where keyword in the select statement, we apply a one level of filter to the output that we are getting with the help of select statement. Right, so the syntax for the where keyword is select column name from table name and then where condition. Right, so this is the syntax for writing the where keyword. So if we do not write the where keyword, it will display all the results from this column from this table. And when we write the where keyword, one level of filter is applied to the output of this command. Right, so now let us see the practical example of the where keyword. So similarly, if we write select star from customers, it will display all the results that are present in the customers table. This is the complete output of the customers table. So all the records that are present in the customers table are displayed. So now if we have to apply a filter on the city and we want to check only the details of the customers that are present in the city London, so here we use the where condition. So for using the where condition, we will write select star from customers where city equals to, in single quotes we will write the city name, and the city name is London, and semicolon at the last. And now we execute this query. So now we only got the output of 6 customers that are present in the London city, and if we go to the city, we find only the result which are having the city as London are displayed. So this is the use of the where condition. So using the where condition, we apply a one level of filter to the output of the query select star from customers. We use where keyword only when we want to check any specific output from a table, right? So this is the use of the where keyword. So in today's video, we have seen two keywords. One is a distinct keyword and the other one is the where keyword, and we have also seen the practical usage of both of these keywords, distinct keyword and where keyword. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you have any suggestions, then please comment in the comment section. I will reply to each comment that is present on this video. Thank you.